Science, day after tomorrow.
Day after, that means Tuesday. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, students, do you get the marks for the
Our
second term
exam
exam?
started tomorrow.
Yes, sir,
Ah,
we already
I was,
results.
yeah.
Sir, we already got the results.
Okay. Just tell me your mark.
80.
18.
80.
80, 80.
80.
Genuinely 80. Not 18, 80. Good. So, I think I got the 90 marks for the science. Okay, Anuki. Right? Very good. So, anyone else? Anyone else? No one else got the marks? No? Right. Katti adu ini. Is there Viraj? No, ne? Viraj absent today. So, okay, just put the raise your hand. Right, please lower the hand. All of students, and tell me that is there a newcomer today? Yes. Chanuki. Chanuki, where are you from? You can switch on the. You can. Bandaragama. Your school, pata?
Devi Balika Vidyalaya.
Devi Balika. From Bandaragama, you can daily come to the Devi Balika, Kalampu.
Yes.
Yes? Oh. Okay. Right, and Sehas, where are you from, Puta? Yes? Sehas, where are you from?
Veeragatiya.
Veeragatia. Okay. So far, no? Right. So, is school, Puta?
Veeragatiya Central College.
Veeragatia Central. Right. Okay. Good. Right, then, Sase, Sasen, Sansea, ne? Sansea. Sansea. Yes, where are you from? So, you're not sure to me. The camera on
From girl.
Goal. Goal. Sansea, please switch on the camera. Okay, so if you are switch on the camera, right? So remember that your video only shown to me, no one else to other, right, can see your video. So you can see that some of the students are staying in the class, switch on the camera, but you cannot see whether they are, right? So, but I can see. So this is the online class now. So therefore very important to keep the switch on the camera to keep the focusing onto the class in every time, right? Therefore it's very important, right? That's why I always say that the switch on the camera, blah blah blah, likewise. So that's the reason. Hari, okay, කට්ටිය අඩුයි වගේනේ. Yes, Vinodi. Right, okay. Right, today my plan is start to third term activity, right? Right. I will explain that before how do we do the third term lessons. Wait. පොඩ්ඩක් අපි බලමු. තව ඉන්නවා අපේ කට්ටිය නැහැ තාම. So we have to discuss like how many lessons? For the third term, we have to discuss actually 4 lessons, right? 4 lessons, no? The first one, unit number 8. What is it? Electricity for comfortable life. It's a electricity for comfortable life. චුට්ටක් මම explain කරා නම් third term එක කොහොමද යන්නේ, right? What is it? Electricity for comfortable life. Electricity for comfortable life. Right, unit number 9. Unit number 9, you have heat and its effects. And unit number 10, you have food relative interaction. And the last unit, unit number 11, weather and climate. Okay, those are the lessons that you have to discuss, right? Meva thamai lessons, right? So you have the 4 lessons. How many months you have for the term? Term eකට මාස කීයක් තියෙනවද පුතේ? Then August, September, October, November, right? 4 months you have. We have 4 lessons and 4 months, right? So we have to do the right, complete these 4 lessons, right, within this month period. And October, November, August, September, October, right? October වෙනකොට මම plan කරනවා මේ පාඩම් ටික ඉවර කරන්න. And November, right, let's do the revision, right? අපි revision කරමු to get ready for the right third term එක ready වෙන්න. එතකොට after that in 2027, right, you are the grade 7 student, right? Anyway, right, අපි
Excuse me, sir.
yeah,
I have science tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Yes.
Inoj, why? Okay, why do you late today?
Hey.
Right, okay, right, okay, Lamai. Okay, then right, you can get the best mark for the tomorrow paper, right? We have discussed the already to so many papers, right? ගොඩක් papers මේ වෙනකොට discuss කරා, right? වැඩ ගොඩක් කරලා තියෙන්නේ second term එකට. හරි, එතකොට
paper එක හෙට තියෙනවා.
okay, so you can get the best mark, right?
මට science paper හෙට තියෙනවා.
Hare, okay. May after talking with me, right, you can switch on the mic, your mic, and after talking with me, please remember that switch off the mic also, right? එහෙම නැතුණු මොකක් වෙනවද? අම්මලා බයිනේවා ඔක්කොම පන්තියට ඇහෙනවා, right? Remember that, නේද? නේද Mikael, right? Everything we can hear, right? So okay, මොනාරි අහන්න තියෙනවා? So කවුරු හරි ඉන්නවද නේ මොකක් හරි අහන්න ගියා වගේ. Yes.
Sir, did we do electricity for comfortable life?
Mehemai, did we do the electricity for the comfortable life? Good question, right? Mehemai පුතේ, in last month tute එකේ මම මේ lessons දෙකම ඔයාලට එව්වා. ඒ කියන්නේ magnet එකයි electricity for comfortable life කියන lessons දෙකම දාලා එවලා තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට මට චුට්ටක් ඒගොල්ලෝ කියන tute එක තියෙන කට්ටිය ආපහු tute එක නැති කට්ටිය මේ මාසේ tute එක එවනවා. ඊට අමතරව මේ lesson එකෙන් workbook එකක් එනවා. right, question workbook එක. දැන් අපි මේකේ භාගයක් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. නමුත් මම අද ආපහු ඒ lesson එක මුලින් ඉඳන් කරනවා අපි. හරි? lesson එක කියන්නේ අපි ටිකක් වේගින් වැටික් කරගෙන ගියා. එතකොට අපි මේ lesson එකෙත් ටිකක් වැඩිපුර කරලා තිබ්බේ. දැන් ආපහු ඒක අපි මුලින් ඉඳන් practical ටිකත් එක්ක right discuss කරගෙන යමු. electricity for a comfortable life කියන lesson එක. right, එතකොට අද මම ඒක පටන් ගන්නවා. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට notebook එකක් ready කරගන්නකෝ. අපි notebook එකේ ලියන ගමන් වැඩේ කරමු. right, මේ third term එක. So tute එකකුත් එනවා මේකෙන්, right? මේ tute එක කියන්නේ මේ tute එක මේ වෙනකොට electricity for comfortable life කියන lesson එක තියෙන tute එක නැති දරුවන්ට tute එක එවනවා. අනිත් හැමෝටම මේ month tute pack එකත් එක්ක මේ lesson එකට අදාළ workbook එකක් එනවා. right, එතකොට අපි ওই වැඩ ටික මේ මාසේ කරනවා මේ lesson එකට අදාළ. right, okay. එහෙනම් අපි third term වැඩ ටික පටන් ගමු. right, so I think you have the writing book, right? Write the heading electricity for the comfortable life. Electricity for the comfortable life. Electricity for a comfortable life. Electricity for a comfortable life. Lesson number 8 in your syllabus. In textbook, page number 110. Electricity for a comfortable life. So what do you think? Do we need the electricity? What do you think about that? Do we need the electricity?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, it's very important energy source, no? So what can we do without electricity at the current world? What can we do? මොනවාද අපිට කරන්න පුළුවන් ඉලෙක්ට්‍රිසිටි එකක් නැතුව අද මේ වන විට in the present world වර්තමාන ලෝකයේ ඇතුලේ right අපිට මොනවාද කරන්න පුළුවන්? So what do you think? There's no anything else to do
Nothing.
without electricity නේ පුළුවන්ද right අපේ activities දැන් ගෙදර හිතන්නකො පුතේ කරන්ට් එක දැන් due to the power cut some instances we know that we have to face the power cut power failure situation ඒ කියන්නේ පුතේ කරන්ට් එක නැති වෙලාවක් හිතන්න ගෙදර right අපිට power failure වෙලාවල් බලා ගන්න වෙනවනේ face කරන්න වෙනවනේ right මේ වගේ situation එකකදී අපිට නිකන් මොන වගේද දැනෙන්නේ නේ clock එක දිහා බලනවා තාම කරන්ට් එක නැහැ නේ අපි එහෙම කියනවනේ ප්‍රශ්නේ හොදටම සමාල නේද සාමාන්‍ය worm climatic condition එකක් තියෙන තැන් I don't know සිංහල newcomer Manyam where are you from puta Manyam yes where are you from
Colombo.
yeah
Colombo.
Colombo
Id.
okay right so yeah
I don't know single.
Okay, right. Okay. So some points I will explain with the single and I will do the class with English, right? But some points, right? Most of the students actually, we know that we cannot identify perfectly the lesson, right? So, but I will explain that. So anyway, so what do you think about that, the situation? If it is there to the power failure, if you're home, so how do you feel that? How do you feel that? If not there to the electricity? So it's very difficult, no? The
Very
situation
difficult to stay.
yeah, the very difficult to manage
Mosquitoes.
that situation. Yeah, mosquito. Yes, mosquito. So what is the mosquito?
Mosquitoes biting around because there's no fan.
No fan. Yes, that is a good point. It's a dengue. You know that whether in our country these days it's going to the
Yes.
epidemic, dengue epidemic, right? So good point, right? So the fan is important to which one to prevent the biting of the mosquito, right? Good. So anyway, you know that Putala, without electricity, actually, we can't do anything else. We can't our daily activity, right? Because that's why the electricity be a very important energy source. Like electricity එක කියන එක right මාරම වැදගත් energy source එකක් වෙලා තියෙනවා. So therefore we need to electricity. Think about that. What are the activities? What are the daily activities we are doing using the electricity? So what do you
For
think?
cooking?
Abute?
For cooking?
Yeah, for
study.
cooking.
Washing
Think about
clothes.
the MCS right without yeah.
Cooking?
Okay. Tell me that. What are the things? So if you don't have the electricity for the cooking purpose, so how do we do that? What can we do? What can we do the cooking? What can how do we cook that if we don't have the electricity? Yes, what do you think? So we can use the which one?
Gas?
Firewood. Gas or firewood or anything else. But using
Firewood?
electricity, right?
Gas
to do
cooker?
gas cooker or anything else, firewood, right? So we can use that. But think about that. Using electricity, the task can be do easily. Right? The another example, so to take the light at the night is also right. We have to use the electricity. You know that whether if you don't have the electricity, you have to use the lamp. You have to use the lamp, right? And you know that at the present, at the current world, right? I think every house having the washing machine. Right? In all peoples, right? Is using most of the peoples in the country, they use the washing machine for the washing purpose of their clothes. So it is working using the electricity. Washing machines also work using the electricity, right? So, and you know that now at the present current world is coming most popular vehicle, electric vehicles, EVs. EVs also right operate by using the electricity. Got it idea? So every purpose for the transportation and right, for the transportation and for the daily activity, for the washing cloth and for the cooking purpose and for the studying. And another example, if you are staying the online class, so what happened to suddenly power failure? We had faced some situation, the power failure in the same class also. What happened? We cannot continue the class. No, we cannot continue the class. අපිට පන්තිය continue කරගන්න අපහසු වෙනවා. Got it idea? So therefore, electricity is, we call it as a very important energy source, right? Okay, let's write small note. Before that, write the heading of the lesson: electricity for a comfortable life. Write the heading: electricity for a comfortable life. Electricity for a comfortable life. And the subtopic you want to write that electricity for day-to-day life. Day-to-day life. Electricity for day-to-day life. Electricity for day-to-day life. Julanga Senuri. Where from, Puta? Yes.
Nirigama.
Nirigama. Your school?
Vikramshila National School.
Can you switch on the camera? Right. So let's write this small note. Write it. We need energy. We need energy. We need energy to do our daily activities. To do our daily activities. We need energy to do our daily activities. Okay. Right. Next point. Next point. We use different type of energy sources. Different type of energy sources. Different type of energy sources. To make our job easy. Let's write to make our work easy. Okay. Okay, write this small question. Small question. This small question. Write down uses of electricity. Write down uses of electricity in day-to-day life. Day-to-day life. Write down the uses of electricity. Write down the uses of electricity in day-to-day life. In day-to-day life. Okay, copy down this question and then write uses of electricity. Why do we use the electricity in our daily activity? Let's write quickly. Okay. After writing this thing, please just put the raise your hand. Okay. Somehow, can you switch on the camera? Good. So how many? So as you can, it's 10. There are a lot of users, right? Right. Only 7 students complete. So after complete this, right, just put the raise your hand. Please put the raise your hand. Inoch, did you complete? Yes. Mikael, right. Manuki, right. Only 15. Oshad, Saseya, Sehas. Just still doing. Okay, right. So we'll see that what are the users. Tell me that, students, what are the users that we can write?
Sir, to
Yeah.
charge phones, to refrigerator, to iron clothes.
Right. To iron the clothes. Good. To
Sir?
charge the mobile phone. Yes.
There is entertainment.
For the entertainment. Very good. Any more?
Lights in factories.
Lightning bulb. Right. Then to
To
operate
operate machines in factories.
to operate machines in factories. Any more?
television.
අපි ඒ ටික ලියාගමුකෝ. First one. ලියපු නැති අය මෙහෙම බලලා ලියන්න. Right, users. First one ලියන්න. මෙහෙම. What is it? To operate. We can write it to operate machines.
To operate machines.
Machine in factories.
Factory wala machine operate.
For watching TV.
To watch the TV. Second one, let's write to watch the TV.
For cooking.
To watch TV. Right. Third one, for cooking purpose. Right. And let's write neither for electric vehicle.
For communication purposes.
Yes, very good. For communication. Any uses? For washing cloth. Can we use?
For ironing clothes.
Washing purpose. For ironing cloth, right? Any more? For ironing cloth, ne? For washing, for ironing, for cooking, for lighting.
For charging phones.
Right, those are the users, right? So I will give this small activity to you, right? What is it, right? In your writing book, you want to keep the space, right? What is the activity? You want to find the pictures that we are using, right? Electricity in daily activity, right? You want to find some pictures, right? The example, right? You can use the, right? What is it? Using the rice cooker, you can find the pictures mother cooking at, right? And in EVs, you can find it. And what are they? Using computer, right? You can find the image, but work in computer, right? You they are using the students use the computer. You can find the image, right? Likewise, you know that there are so many images, no? So find that image, right? What are the images should be there, right? Instances that we are using electricity in daily life. And then what do you want to do that? You want to paste that image in your notebook. Can you do it? As a
Yes,
homework.
sir.
Right, as a homework. You want to find the image, right? As you can, you can.
Sir, can't we draw?
If you can, then it's okay. You can draw. It's better if you can draw, then it's okay, right? But most than to the drawing, most of the students, right, finding the picture is easier. But if you can draw well, then it's best. And then it's okay, right? And after that, right, send me your note, some photographs into my WhatsApp number. So I will check your book, right? Anyway, so then we can find a lot of, right? We can find a lot of instances, neither, right? Just search the Google, right? You instances that use in the electricity in daily life and go to the images. So you can take a lot of image, right? Having so many instances, right? So therefore it's easy activity. So you can do that. So what can you say about the things that when we consider about the using of electricity, right? Actually, entire today class, right? If we are finding the users of electricity, then we can write it. That means users of electricity, we can say it unlimited, right? Not limit. They are unlimited, right? Got it the idea? They are unlimited. Got it the idea? But using electricity are the unlimited. Just write this small point. Then there are, write it, there are so many, there are so many day-to-day activities, where electricity is used. Pamidu, switch on the camera. Right. Okay. Okay, Pute. Right. Let's write. Therefore, may write the point. The users of electricity, are unlimited. Write it. Unlimited.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, did you see my message?
No, I didn't see. I will check. Sir, your video I put in my. Not clear your message though. Right, okay. Right. Then now let's move the next heading. What is it? Generating electricity. The heading is generating electricity. Right, then you want to keep the space for which purpose? To paste the figure, right? To paste the figure. Right, you want to keep this space, right? So write the heading now, generating electricity. Generating electricity. There are so many methods that having to generate the electricity, right? Then first heading, let's write. The first heading you have to discuss simple ways.
Sir, have to keep space.
Yes. You want to keep this space, right? For the pasting the figures, right? Attach the figure, you want to keep this space and write the heading generating electricity, and then simple ways of generating electricity. Simple ways to generating electricity. Okay, and write the small point. Write the small point. Right, people's use different method. People's use different method to generate electricity. People use to different method to generate electricity. In different
ඒ
instances.
වාක්‍යයටම සර්.
Yes, continue කරගන්න. People's use to different method. Right, people use to different method to generate electricity. In different instances. Okay, tell me that. What are the different methods that the peoples are using to generate electricity in different instances? Different instances mean that the instances that we are using electricity, right, for our different activities in daily, right? Example, using the mobile phone, we want to electricity. So how do we take the electricity for the mobile phone, right? Likewise, and to watch the you know that whether like operate a wall clock. So how do we use the electricity for the operate wall clock?
Dry
Yes.
cells.
Yeah, dry cells. We have obtained dry cells. Right, good. Then so you can see that here. What is it? Can you get the idea about that? What is it? What is it, Pute? So what can you say about that?
Car.
It's a toy car. Right? It's a toy car. So what do you think how it is working, that toy car?
By
Yes.
a battery.
By a battery. No, it's not battery. Actually,
Sir,
you
by
can.
a solar.
By a dry
solar.
No, you can see that here having the solar cell. It's a solar cell. Got the idea? Solar cell like a, right? Yeah. Then so how to take the electricity to this one? Using the solar cell. Right? When these solar panel exposed to the sunlight, it generate, and the generate electricity is due to the motor. So we can see that these wheels are rotate here. Wheels are rotating. Got the idea? Right? Did you understand? So that is the one of things. Yeah.
Sir, can we generate electricity, small electricity from compass?
Compass.
Yes, yes.
Compass we are using for identify the direction, right?
No, not that one.
Huh?
The soil.
Okay, right. Then my point is we are going to discuss about that weather, right? We are going to discuss that weather. What is it? We are going to identify the different instances that we are obtain electricity for our different activities. Here is the toy car, but toy car actually it's worked by the solar cells. So then how to take the electricity by solar cells? By sunlight. After falling the sunlight onto that solar cell, it's generate the electricity also, right? Then for the mobile phone, we are using electricity from the batteries. to operate the fan in house? Where we can obtain the electricity to operate the fan? Yes, what do you think? Yes, from where do we obtain the electricity? What do you think? From house electricity.
Hydropower.
Apa tu?
Hydropower.
Yeah, hydropower. Hydropower. So that means apa tu?
Solar cells.
Solar cell. Right, okay. We can simply write from house electric. Electric. Yeah.
Water.
Have two methods to generate electricity by solar cell and battery.
Which one, Pamudita?
I'm not.
Pamidu?
This like a dish torch.
Show me. Show me. It's a torch. Okay. It's worked by solar cell. Ne? Good. Right. You can see that with the. Yes. You can see that all of them. Here, he has a torch. Right. You can see that the torch is working by solar cells as well as the battery. Here, having solar cells. Actually, in daytime, right, using the solar cells can charge the battery, and then what we can do that, right? This electricity use at the night. Got it? That, yeah. Did you see that? That's a good example. That is also the one of the different. Which one? Thank you, Pamidu. Right. That is also one of the right different example. You can see that when we are discussing about the instances of electricity, right? Then you see in your house, right? Not need to go outside. In your inside your house also having a so many example for that, right? Check that wall clock, right? Check that the remote that having, check that the fan, right? Check that the air condition machine, check that your laptop, mobile phone. Got the idea? Those are if those are the different kind of electrical appliance. Those are the electrical appliance, but we are obtaining electricity in different way. If you have the solar cell, solar panel in your home, then that is also the one of the best method that you can obtain electricity for your daily activity. And if you have the EVs in your home also, electric vehicle, then that is also the right good examples. There are so many activities around you, not need to think about more, right? Okay, let's do the small assignment, right? Assignment 2, actually. Assignment 2, let's write likewise. (8.2), what is it? Mention the method of mention the method of generating electricity. Generating electricity in following instances. In following instances. First instances, let's write operate wall clock. Second one, for solar powered calculate. Calculators. Third one, operate fans. Fans at home. Fourth one, light bulbs. Light bulbs in area where no area There is no electricity. Okay. Right, good. It's right.
What is
Sir,
that?
we
Sir,
can't
it's
hear
very
you.
strange.
Sir, we can't hear you.
Sir, we can't hear you.
Sir, we can't hear. Enough. Do
Okay. Right. Me. So another users of electric car, I think most of them are like this one. What is it? What is it? Right. So you can see that whether here having remote and when we give the electricity, it's working. Right. Me. It's working. Got the idea?
Sir, is
Avada? Yes.
that your car?
No, it's not my one, right? It's not my one, but you can see that it's working, right? So
It wheels.
you can see that this fog is also going on. Right? Everything are worked by the electricity. Right? So for the entertainment also we can use it. Right? The entertainment are different, no? Right? I think most of the students in the class is like like this device. I also like this one. Mamat kemathi megata. In free time, I am also riding this one, right? So, and some people are like to listen the music and watch the film, right? For everything, also we want to electricity, right? You know that, right? When you are watching the film, right? You want to, right? You want, what is it? You want to operate the televisions or laptop or anything else, right? Then, right, you can get the idea, right? You know that electricity is needed, right? Here is also the toy car actually, right? So then to operate this one is also, right, need to electricity, right? It's having the rechargeable battery as also they are to the remote also. It's a remote. It's working on the remote, right? Okay, right. Anyway, did you write this one? Did you write the answer? Did you write the answer? No. ලිව්වේ උත්තර? හරි, අපි බලමු. Operate a wall clock. So how do we take the electricity? Tell me that. Yes.
Dry cells.
Dry cells. We can write dry cells. To operate the wall clock, we can obtain the electricity by dry cells. Okay. Right. Then
fan
හරි, අපි ලියමු dry cell. For solar powered calculator. Yes, for solar powered calculator. I have the solar powered small toy car. What are the things we are using? Solar cell. Solar cell, ne? Operate fan at home. Operate fan at home. So how do you take? Main electricity, neither. Main electricity. Main electricity. Right, ඒ කියන්නේ ප්‍රධාන විදුලියයි. අපි ගත්තොත් නේද? Power grid එක කියලා කියනවා. Main electricity. So power grid. We can say power grid also, right? So power grid. So how to generate the electricity from the power grid? Hydro. They use the hydropower and solar energy, wind power, thermal power, right? Everything. The next one, light bulbs in area where there is no electricity. What are they? They can use. What are the things they can use? Solar cell.
Dry cell.
Yes, dry cell.
Dynamo.
Yes, dynamo. Any more? Solar cells, dry cells, dynamo. Right, storage batteries, not dry cells, right? Those can use, right? Those are the instances, right?
Generator.
A generator, very good. Very good, right? There are some kind of instances. Okay, right. If you want to write anything else, please write it. Hare, okay, then another activity have you in your home, right? You want to find the figures, you want to find the pictures, right? About the Moore method of generating electricity, right? Find the Moore method of generating electricity. Find the picture of more method of generating electricity. And what do you want to do that? You want to attach this to your writing book, right? Writing book attach solar cell, dry cells, car batteries, generators, hydropower station, wind power station. You can find these small figures, or if you can draw it, it's okay, never matter, right? Don't buy the picture sheet or don't try to take the print out, so you can find it, right? In your home is also having, right? If you can find the newspaper or anything else, right? The materials that you are having in your home, you can find it, and so you can draw also, right? If you cannot find it, then if you can draw, it's also okay, right? You can draw the pictures, right?
Sir,
Drawing is very important. Yes, Huda.
sir, can you read the question? Because I can't understand 2 words.
No, what do you want to do then? Right, find the method, find the pictures of the method that generate in electricity, and right, attach this one into your writing book. Hare, okay. Hare Nebute. Okay, now let's come the new activity. What is it? Activity 8.1, very important. Activity 8.1, what is it? Generating electricity with a lime fruit. Generating electricity with lime fruit. Here is a very important activity, right? Activity. So, right, for the term test is also come in this activity. Term test activity again, right? So, what are the things we needed for that activity? What are the things we needed? Yes. What do you think? Give me the 1 second.
A lime fruit.
Yes, we need to lime fruit.
Galvanometer.
Sir,
Galvanometer. Yes.
and
Piece of copper wire.
Yes.
Zinc sheet.
Zinc sheet.
A musical birthday card.
Okay, right. Give me the 1 second. I'm going to show the figure. Right. Did you see that? The way actually it's doing that. Right. Actually, we needed to lime fruit. Right. And we need to, which one? Galvanometer. Galvanometer. Those are, we call it as a galvanometer. Lime fruit. And so, what are the things we needed actually? Right, we needed to zinc and copper strips. Here, having the zinc and copper strips, and we need to lime fruits also. You know that lime fruit, right? Lime fruits is we needed, and we needed to galvanometer is also, right? මේ තියෙන galvanometer එක. Right, and we can use the musical birthday card, musical circuit we can use, right? Or we can use the small bulb, right? Small bulb is also we can use instance of that thing, right? But in this situation I am going to use the galvanometer. Why? Right, in this lime it's produced very small electricity, so therefore using the bulb actually that electricity is not enough to lighten up, right? So anyway, right, we have to use that. And zinc and copper strips also we can use, right? Here is the figure, lime fruits, everything. So how do we do this activity? කොහොමද පුතේ අපි ඒක කරන්නේ? Right, firstly we need to find the lime, right? We want to find the lime, and then, right, I have the lime, right? I have the lime. Okay, මං ගාව lime එකක් තියෙනවා. ඔයාලට පේනවනේ, it's a lime, right? So then what we are doing, right, take the zinc and copper strips. So zinc and copper strips are the terminals of the cell, right? මේ cell එක terminals කීයක් තියෙනවද පුතේ? How many terminals are in cells? Yes, terminals කීයක් තියෙනවද battery එකකට? What do you think? Inoj, Anuki, which terminals? Yes, how many?
Positive and
Two
negative.
terminals, we called it as a positive terminal and negative terminal, right? Positive terminal and negative terminal. So out of these two, can you tell me that whether which one is a copper, which one is the zinc? How do I identify copper and zinc?
Silver one
Silver one,
is a C.
Gold, silver one is zinc.
yeah, this one copper, right? And this one
Yeah.
copper. Yes, here is the zinc sheet. I taken
Gold
from
one
this one.
copper, silver
Yeah.
one zinc.
Yes, I have the zinc sheet as well as the copper sheet also. So of this is I right taken that. Me here is the copper sheet. Me copper sheet. So I taken from here. Right, පැහැදිලිනේ? So anyway, so what we are doing, right? We insert that. Yes, we insert that zinc and copper into the line. Right, අපි බලමු. Likewise, I insert the copper as well as zinc. Okay, I have done it. So then it's actually zinc and copper act as a, what is it? Terminals of the cell. Hurry. Then what we want to do that? Then actually we want to use the terminals. We want to use the wire. I have the two wire, red color and yellow color. So what do we call putala name of this clip? Make clip eකට මොකක්ද කියන්නේ? This clip?
Crocodile clip.
Yes, we called it as a crocodile clip. The red color one I connected to the copper terminal, and yellow color one I connected to where? Right, the negative one. Okay, we'll see that whether can we measure the electricity generated here. Sometime it will show that, right? It's generate the very small electricity. We'll see that, right? I will show to you. Wait. Right, actually may බලන්න. So now here is the galvanometer is there. So galvanometer, how do we use in the reading? You can see that there is a scale of here. Scale එකක් තියෙනවා පේනවා පුතේ. Here having the scale, and here indicator is also there, right? Actually in this situation it's produced a very small current, so therefore we cannot take any observation, but it's a method. මේක තමයි method එක, right? Small current we can observe that. Small observation is there. Look at the very carefully. Can you see it? No. Small deflection is there. Hey, Bala? Can you see that? Pen at the?
I can see it, sir.
Okay. Wait.
Sir, I can also see.
I will focus it more, right? Right. Now what do you think? Indicator clear to now? Look at this one. Did you see that?
Yes, sir.
When I touch this is a small reading, we can see that. Right, to a small reading. So what is the reason for that? Yes, the reason.
Because there's electricity coming from the
Yeah. Now more clear, right? Now more clear, me. When I touch it again. Did you see that? And when I release it, it's come to their center zero position on here. Here, I am going to touch it. Did you see that? Small electricity is generated here. And I release it, it's come to the zero. Me. Right? So here producing very small electricity, not in more puthe, right? It produced very small electricity, but the thing is, Pudha, this electricity actually not enough to light off the bulb. So that's why I use the galvanometer. Me. That's why I use the galvanometer. Me. Okay, Lamai. So I think you got the idea about that well. So lime fruits is also, we can use which purpose? For the generation of electricity. Right, I'll remove that focusing. Right. Okay, Lamai. Is it okay? Did you understand well? හොඳටම තේරුණාද කතාව? ඔය ඉතින් මෙහෙමත් කරලා තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම්
Yes,
වැඩක්
sir.
නෑ. හොඳටම තේරෙන්න ඕනි. Practical එකක් දැක්කා. So here how to generate the electricity ළමයි අහන්න හිතෙන්නේ නැද්ද? කොහොමද මේක electricity එක generate වෙන්නේ කියලා? Yes, how it is happen? There is chemical reaction inside, right? Inside it is having chemical reaction. About this is, right, you have to learn more in grade 11, right? That means the chemistry of the cells that happening. There's a chemistry, right? So change in electrons. Here zinc copper, zinc strip dissolve here, right? And zinc strip dissolve and release the electrons. These electrons taken to the copper. Likewise, different kind of, right, reactions occur inside here. There's a lot of chemistry, right? About this is you are learning in grade 10. And the important thing is there's a small acid inside the lime. Lime make acid dekak, there is acid, right? Due to these acids also, right, with that acidic medium, the zinc and copper metal show the some reactions. As a result of this reaction, it generates the electricity also, right? So that is the simple thing. Anyway, right. So write the heading, generating electricity with lime fruits, and draw the figure. Draw the figure also. Draw the figure also.
Sir, should we also draw the galvanometer?
Later we'll draw that, right? I will give that. Now don't draw it, right? Later we'll do. Separately, I will tell you about the galvanometer. දැන් අපි galvanometer එක පැත්තකින් තියමු. So before that, tell me that what is the positive terminal of this is? There are two terminal of the cells, no? What do you think? What is the positive terminal, Lamai? What is the positive terminal? There are two terminal, positive and negative, right? Check whether the dry cells also having two terminal, positive and negative terminal. In here, actually copper is a positive terminal. Copper is positive terminal. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි ධනාග්‍රය කියලා කියන්නේ. Zinc is negative terminal. We call it as a ඍණාග්‍රය සිංහලෙන් කියන. Right, okay. Draw this figure now. After, right, draw this figure using the colors also. You can use the colors, right? After drawing that, just put the raise your hand, okay?
So at the moment I don't have colors.
Then you can use the colors later. After complete the drawing, tell me, right? They give me the 1 second, right? Exhausted in the battery in my camera. Right, finish your work? Yes. Shall we write the observation? What do you think? Shall we write the observation? Most of them are finished their activities. Write the observation. Write the
Yes,
observation.
sir.
Right, then you want to mention that this one also. Copper is a positive terminal, zinc is a negative terminal. And write the observation. Write the observation. Okay, let's write the observation. What is the observation? What do you think? So tell me that the observation in this activity. Yes, what do you think? Your idea, tell me that the observation. Kiyum balana puthe observation before writing. Yes, Enoch, do you have any idea?
Bulb will light.
Yes.
Also,
Here we, yes.
also
What do you think?
the circuit of birthday card produce sound.
Circuit of birthday card produce sound, right? Music, what is it? The musical card play music, right? Natham produce sound, right? What did you use? Here, did you use the, which one, bulb or which one? The music card circuit. If you are using the music card circuit, then you can use the observation. You can write the observation. What is it? The observation is the musical card. The musical card. Play music.
So is that the observation?
Yes. Play music. Or if you are using the bulb, that time if you are using the bulb, then you can write it bulb light up. So imagine that in the activity we have used the galvanometer. So how do we write? The pointer of the galvanometer.
Deflects.
The pointer of a pointer. අපි bracket කළා needle කියලා දාමු. galvanometer deflects right. Yeah, write the observation. Write the observation here. What is the conclusion we can make? What is the conclusion we can make here? What do you think?
Lime to generate electricity.
Very good. Lime fruit generate electricity. Lime fruit generate electricity. Lime fruit generate electricity. Let's write. Okay, right? Right. Then put the star point and write it about the galvanometer. Let's write. About the galvanometer. Right. So the galvanometer, we know that whether we can use to measure the amount of electricity, right? Let's write about the small point, put the star mark and write it. Galvanometer is a sensitive device. Galvanometer is a sensitive device. Galvanometer is a sensitive device used to identify and device. Galvanometer is a sensitive device used to identify and
Used
to identify and measure
and
measure a small current in the laboratory. in the laboratory.
Sir, do we have to draw that?
Yes, now you have to draw that. Draw the image of the galvanometer. Is it clear? Having the two terminals also, right? I'm here side of the board, right? So board is not clear to you first in front of. Student, please switch on your camera and the thing after drawing the figure, just put the raise your hand, okay?
Excuse me, sir. Do we need to draw the picture?
Yes. Didn't you draw it? And then
Give me some time, sir. Only like a few minutes.
me do camera का on कर.
I have a power cut.
हाँ. Can you change the name icon? Can you change the name icon? So tell me your name, I will change.
Sanuti.
Tanuji.
Sanuti.
Ah, Sanuti. Sanuti, I will change. Right, okay, ne? Then you using the lime fruits, you can make the small cell also, right? In your home. අර මල්ටිමීටර්ස් එහෙම තියෙනවා නම් ඔය ගෙවල් වල වැඩට ගෙනල්ලා රයිට් ඕගොල්ලෝ දැකලා තියෙනවද මේ වගේ ලයික් මේ වගේ ඒවා හිටපු ගමන් තාත්තලා ගාව තියෙනවා මල්ටිමීටර්ස් මෙන්න මේ වගේ එක right ඔය තාත්තලා ගාව තියෙනවා හිටපුවාම ගෙවල් වල වැඩ කී වලට ගෙනල්ලා තියෙනවනම් මේ ඇක්ටිවිටි එක කරලා බලන්න පුළුවන් හරි මේක අර මේකට සෙන්සිටිව් වෙන ඒරියා එකට මේ නොබ් එක ටර්න් කරලා කරන්න පුළුවන් කොබලන් මේක ගෙවල් වල තියෙනවද කවුරුවත් නැද්ද
Sir, what is that, sir?
it's we called as a multimeter ammeter voltmeter right galvanometer everything is having ohm meter ඔක්කොම ටික මේකේ තියෙනවා millimeter right ඔය electrician ලා use කරනවා anyway try to do this activity using the musical birthday card musical circuit right try to do this activity finish the
Sir, I am finished. I have finished wrong, sir.
after complete your work tell me only 11 students complete your work quickly do that right good Michele nice she sent her note to me through the WhatsApp. Pute, there's a two terminal, right? You want to name that Michele as a positive and negative. One terminal, put that the positive and another one as a negative. The red color, you can see that there's a sign not clearly. My father has that. Okay, then you can do that, Sanuti, in your home. Right, and send me the video clip also. Right, take the lime fruits and zinc copper strips, and you want to connect the two like wires. Okay, then do it. Try to do it.
Sir, how many minutes to end?
How many minutes there? Yes, finish.
Yes, sir. How many minutes?
Let's stop the class at 5. Okay, so then let's start to do the another activity. I think you all has done it is right. Let's move the next activity. Let's discuss this activity, and I will do this activity the next week. Right, activity 8.2. Activity 8.2. What is it? generate electricity with a coil of wire. With a coil of wire. Right. So coil of wire mean we needed to copper wire, right? So we need to copper wire, and then right we want to wind it likewise. We are winding it. It's a copper wire, and then after that, these two terminals are connected into the galvanometer. You know that galvanometer having two terminals. Likewise, we connect. After that, Pute, we take the bar magnet. So what are the, how many poles have in bar magnet? 2 poles, no? You know that, no? Right, we take the bar magnet and place inside the coil. Take the bar magnet and place inside the coil. So what we are doing, here having the 2 poles, no? Here having 2 poles. This pole actually we call this imagine that north pole. අපි හිතමු මේ north pole එක කියලා. So I will use the red color to represent that pole. And another pole, let's take the blue color, right? That means it's what, which pole? South pole, okay? Okay, then now you can see that here having 2 poles. The magnets are moving inside the coil, right? Magnets are moving inside the coil. Here is the magnet. This magnet we move inside and outside. Likewise, we are moving inside and outside. So which kind of observation we can see? Yes, what do you think? We are moving likewise. The coil. We can see that when we are moving this magnet into the coil, there is a reading of the galvanometer. There's a reading of the galvanometer. That means galvanometer deflect. The deflection actually, we can see that the both of the direction. That means when we take the magnet into the coil, when the magnet move into the coil, imagine that whether the galvanometer deflect the left hand side, when it is take away, it deflect the another side. Or both of the side, it deflects. We can observe that. Did you understand here? Is it okay, Lamai? So when the moving of the magnet inside the coil, the galvanometer deflect. So what can we conclude of this activity? What is the conclusion we can make? So why the galvanometer deflections observed here? Why? What do you think about that? The reason for that? The reason is it generates electricity when the magnet is moving inside the copper coil, right? When we are moving the magnet inside the copper coil, right? What we can observe that it generates the electricity. Due to the generation of electricity, it moves in the both of the side. Got it, the idea? Did you understand? Right, okay. Let's draw this figure. අපි මේ figure එක අන්තිමට බලන්න ළමයි. Quickly. වේගෙන් අන්තිමට බලන්න figure එක.
I have finished drawing it, sir.
Okay.
it. Sir, I already drew it.
Okay.
Sir, after this,
Yeah.
what should we do?
I will tell the observation, right? Wait.
Okay, sir.
To complete the others also. Wait to complete the others also, right? Right, so let's write the observation. So what will be the observation? Right, let's write. The pointer of the galvanometer, deflects. The pointer of the galvanometer deflects when, write it again, when the pointer of the galvanometer deflect in both direction, when the bar magnet is
Galvanometer.
deflect, galvanometer point deflect, when the bar magnet is moved into or out of the coil, into or out of the coil. Into or out of the coil, right? Into or out of the coil. Okay. Write the next point. When the bar magnet is kept when the bar magnet is kept stationary station, ඒ කියන්නේ නවත්තලා තියෙන move කරන්න stationary. The galvanometer point returns to zero. ආපහු zero වලට එනවා. Okay, so what do you think about the conclusion? So what do you think about the conclusion of this activity? Conclusion. Yes. The conclusion is, Lamai, electric current was generated inside the coil when the magnet moving, right? When the magnet moving. Electric current generated. Let's write the conclusion. Let's write the conclusion. An electric current an electric current was generated an electric current was generated by the moving magnet.
Generated
By the moving magnet. By the moving magnet. By the moving magnet. Inside the coil of a magnet. Hare, okay, Pute, Chuti Katawa, the last point today we are going to discuss. So we know that whether we have seen that whether when the magnet is moving inside the coil, it generates the electricity, no? Right? So we have seen that whether it generates electricity. The similar manner that we are using generate electricity in hydropower station, right? In bicycle dynamo and generators, wind power station, in everything, in every high power stations, using that manner, using this method to generate the electricity. Got it the idea? Right? Is it okay? Did you understand? Right? I will tell it again. Right? Here we have observed that whether when this magnet moving inside the coil, when this magnet moving inside the coil, we saw that whether electricity generated. Right? So how do we confirm that whether it's showing the galvanometer indicator deflect? It's moving both of the direction. Got it idea, no? So in the same method, in the same method, in same manner, right? Actually using the generate electricity inside in the hydropower station, right? Then in wind power station, in generator, in bicycle dynamo, we know that those things, no, right? Those things are those things are actually we are using to generate the electricity. In these areas, in this power plantation, in this powerhouse also using the similar method to generate the electricity, but in not like large scale, right? In large scale, මේ වගේ චූටි ප්‍රමාණවලින් නෙමෙයි ඒක ලොකු ප්‍රමාණවලින්, but same method. Got it the idea? Right? Here, let's write put the star point and write it. Put the star point and write it. Write it. In bicycle dynamo, the next one, generator, in the bicycle dynamo generator, hydropower station, wind power station,
generator
hydropower station, wind power station,
hydro
Power station.
Power.
Wind power
Station.
station. Hydropower station. Hydropower station. The next one we called as a wind power station. Right? Generators. Bicycle dynamo. Electricity is generated in the same manner above. Electricity is generated. Electricity is generated. Electricity is generated in the same manner above. Okay, right. I know, day after tomorrow is my birthday, right? Happy birthday to you, right? Okay, my father has that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, right. I think I got. Anokiri, after taking the marks, right? Tell me that. Okay, right. Okay. Now, today we are going to stop our class, right? And from tomorrow, Pute, very important message. From tomorrow, we are posting the tune related to the month of August, right? August masakadala tune tekapi hetina so you can take it, right? So, and other thing is we will continue the remaining thing in the next day. Is it okay, Lamai? Padly the part of other. Another part of the
Yes, sir. Yes.
just put the raise one. Okay. Right, okay, Lamai. Then let's stop the class. See you the next day. Goodbye to all. Hi, everyone.